Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be painting this birdhouse, if you could not tell. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to just, besides painting it, I'm going to paint it for my grandma because I had this extra birdhouse and I decided I'm going to paint it. So yeah. Just let's hop into it. So I got some paints and some paintbrushes from the dollar store today. So I got this from my craft store because we went again today because I needed some more supplies. We always go there. And so, so we're gonna. This is probably gonna be a part 2. I know I'm doing a lot of part videos, but it's just something because yeah, it's kind of fun. You guys have to come back and see the videos. So first I'm gonna paint it with this metallic, and then I'm gonna do some clouds because I love cloud paintings, and I just do a lot of cloud paintings. So yeah, so I'm gonna dip some of this out. And gonna get started. This is probably gonna take a while to paint because it's a lot to paint, but we're just gonna hop right in because it's every like a blue already. I just painted this when I was really little, I think, so it like isn't the best painting job. That's why I'm gonna go over it. The blue actually looks pretty similar from the blue I'm painting over right now. At least it does when it's wet. It might look totally different color once it dries, because that's sometimes how paints work. So yeah, so I'm not gonna like paint the whole thing. I sort of am, and I'm not at the same time, because I'm gonna do a whole bunch of touch-ups on it. Because like I said, the blues are kind of the same similar color, so I don't need to paint the whole again, because that'd be a lot of waste of paint even though it's already painted. So that's what I'm just gonna do. I know I repeat myself a lot, but yes. And it kind of looks like a rustic blue, kind of having all the different shades of color in there. I definitely am gonna get better in the creases because like I said, I was probably little when I painted this, and it, like, there's a whole bunch of brown streaks, and this has been in storage for a little bit of time, and my mom was just clearing some things out, and she found this, and she's like, you could paint this. I'm like, yes, I could. So let's hop right on it. So I kind of like not doing it like perfect, kind of giving it the streaks of where it needs it. And it's okay if it's not perfect. This is not a perfect birdhouse. I'm not going to worry about the back really at all, because back's a back and no one is going to be so suspicious about the back. So just going to skip over that. The sides are gonna get some love. They're not bad, but and I love painting, if you cannot tell. A lot of my videos are gonna be painting, but they're gonna be a mix of stuff. I'm just trying different things, different videos for you guys, and what you guys like the most. So far, I'm thinking people like my crafts videos, like step by step. So there's going to be another step by step coming pretty soon, after all of these tutorials, I guess, get posted. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Some videos, every kind of starting to get long. If you are a YouTuber, then you'll definitely know videos get long very quickly and surprisingly very fast. Definitely for me, because I just am surprised. Okay. I try to keep most of my videos under 10 minutes. Some of them have to take longer than I want them to, but yeah, so. Okay, I have one more side, and then we're done with the blue, and then I'm going to move on to a white, and I'm going to do the clouds, because if you don't know the plan, I'm planning to do like a cloud painting out here. Okay, so we have that pretty much painted on. There we go. I'll wash that brush out after this video is finished. And we're gonna take my white paint and a foam brush. Actually, today we're not gonna use a foam brush. We're gonna use a different technique that you might not have heard of. A napkin. It's not like a technique, so to say, but it is something that it is a way to paint on. So I'm just going to fold it to like a flatter surface, and then I dip it in my paint. And then you can kind of get however you would like to be like a cloud painting. It's sort of hard to do. Okay. It's pretty. I think that's a nice little house for whatever bird would like to live there. We're gonna do some just like dabbing. It's hard to do like, I guess like cloud shapes, so like that's the side. I'll show you an overview at the end, or also when I'm finished. Okay. So this is also just going to be a part 1 because it is finished and we are still under 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of a tour and then I'll let you guys go. So first, the front, top, and side. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and my next video will be the part 2 of the painting for my friend. If you guys haven't checked that out, go check that out. Bye!